what is according to the Word of God. Pag sinabi ng salita ng Panginoon na bawal, sasabihin natin yan. Hindi natin sasabihin, sige lang, unti lang yan. Okay? But we need to have a New Year's resolution. Who among you have computer? Everybody. Everyone. Or you don't have, but you are using also computer sometimes. Okay, it's good. Sister just, she don't have. But you are praying for what? For another one, for a computer. But everybody of us, we have computer, right? And we want to upgrade our computer. You know my computer in my house, this tab, I'm trying to say to Bicon some before, that I want to upgrade my computer. Because when you switch on, you just wait for 1 hour. 1 hour, you can just sleep, then it will just... That's why sometimes when Deacon Kim just texting, Pastor, can you send me your sermon outlines? So I said, Deacon Kim, I'm outside, I'm sorry, but I need to go back to my house, but I will still wait for 1 hour. But we need to upgrade our computer, right? Why we need to upgrade our computer? To become more fast. Okay? Why we need to reformat our computer? To kill all the viruses. That's what we need this year. We need to upgrade our Christian life. We need to upgrade our relationship with God. We need to reformat first ourselves. Okay? Now, as we face another year, we all face a block of time. God gave us this year, I counted it is 365 days. Kasi walang 29 yan no? Hindi live year. So 365 days, God gave us. God gave us 12 months. God gave us 52 weeks. And I don't know how many hours. You will just divide for that. Maybe 1,000 or something like that. Each one, or each day is a gift from God. The question that we need to face this 2011 is this. Will we be tossing time out of the window? Or will we be making every second count? Investing it for eternity, or just wasting it for nothing? And this afternoon, I would like to give you 4 revolutions or 4 priorities that we need to consider and ask God to bring in our life this 2011. Number 1, a revolution in our worship. I mean, it is a priority in our worship. Every time Brother Jeff will come here, you just say, okay, let us worship the Lord. And you want to ignite your presence, you want to ignite everybody to join him, to join the gospel team in singing a lively song.